9 weeks ago, I funded an account with $100. Today, that account crossed $1,321. The $100 to $1,000 challenge is complete. 9 weeks, 11 trades, no red days. And we didn't just hit the goal, we blew past it. Today's trade alone made $360 on a single SPY put. I'll break that down in a minute, but I also have to tell you what's next because this isn't the end of the series. It's just the end of chapter 1. Let's get into today's trade first. All right, here we are looking at the portfolio. On the day, we're up 37.41%, $359.63. That's for the day. On the week, same. On the month, yeah, we're up 554%, up over $1,100. Bro, that's crazy. Past 3 months, 1,221%. You can see we started at 100 over here, working our way this way, or working our way all the way to the left. 1321.05. All right, so here we are taking a look at the SPY. This is what we traded today. Looking at today's trades, they're going to be right here. All right, so right here you can see there were 3 transactions we made today which is July 10th. We made a purchase for a total of 186, made another purchase of 130, and came out with 676 from all that. So whatever, 186 plus 130, I think that's a little over $300, like maybe like 316 or so, turned into 676. Looking at it to be a little bit more precise, first trade, pretty much right at market open, grabbed like 1 minute in the market open, I grabbed 2 751 puts, paid 93 cents per share for a total cost of $186. 24 minutes later, I averaged down, grabbed 2 more contracts, paid 65 cents a share for a total cost of $130. Then after an hour and 1 minute of being in the trade, 9:32 a.m. Central Time, sold out of those contracts at $169 per share. I believe my average cost on the contracts after I bought all of them was about 70. I'm not sure if it was 72 or 79, but I remember it was one of those two. And when it came to getting filled on these contracts, the price was moving so fast on the contracts. These contracts all actually spiked up to like $300, but as soon as I saw it, I was like, yo, let me lock in the profit. So I actually put my order at 144, but I got filled at 169. And looking at it, okay, so yeah, my average cost was 79 cents per share. For a total paid 316, got back 676 for a total profit of $360, just under 114% profit. Those are the contracts I grabbed. Now let's look at the charts. All right, so here we are looking at the charts. This is going to be the trade that I took on the SPY today. So I entered about at 752.48 or so, maybe a little bit lower. No, I think it was up there. And then took profits around this 751.29 range. All right, so I want to show you what that looked like. I want to show you what the chart looked like to start the day. So how I drew the chart, you can see we have these 2 lines right here. This was pre-market low right here before the market opened up. So that was going to be down here at 749.64. And then pre-market high was actually this 752.30 level right here. But one thing I had noticed is if we go up to the 4 hour is we had this liquidity right here. So to me, this stood out as a stronger level of resistance. So that's kind of what I was looking for. I figured, hey, if we hit this, we could still go up today. But I was like, yo, we just needed $38 to hit the goal. So I was like, yo, should be easy. So had this resistance here. I was only looking for $1.30 move. I thought, hey, come up here at open and then sell off. All right, so just to show you kind of what happened, how the day played out, this is it. I'm gonna take the candles back. All right, so like right here, this is how it looked on the 15. So enter the trade over here on this candle. We go up all the way to 753.21, pull back, come up again. So at this point I thought, okay, we're going straight there. We're gonna get this money. Nah, push it higher, push it a little higher before it finally starts kind of showing red. So this is half of it, but also while we're on stream, we're looking at the Heiken Ashi as well. So this is how it looked on the Heiken Ashi. So this is what I'm looking at while I'm in the trade too. So over here, we'll leave that alone. But while we're looking at it, this is what it looked like while we were dealing with that. So while I'm in the trade, I enter up here. The Heiken Ashi showing momentum to the upside over here. Looks like we start pulling up back here, but then we continue our way to the upside. And it wasn't till I guess around 9:06 Central Time, we started pulling back. So started pulling back. Then it looks like it's coming back up. Honestly, we might have swept some liquidity or something here. I'm not fully sure, but something happened. We got some news and then price just spiked down. And honestly, by the time we hit this low, by the time we hit this right here, honestly, I probably sold out somewhere in here, but I started trying to initiate my sell order here. Price spiked up to like over $300 for the single contract. But this is where I try to get out of the trade. This is where I was initially looking at it for, and it yielded 114% profit. It's a really good thing that I got out when I didn't try to be greedy, because if we look on the 15-minute, price came down here and it like really moved. Like price came all the way down to 748, but on that same candle, price came back up. So that's it. 9 weeks, $100 turned to $1,321.05. Here's the thing though, I'm not stopping here. Starting next Friday, I'm running this challenge back. Same rules, new $100, same system that just turned pocket chains into $1,300. And I'm doing it again live in front of everyone. If you want to be part of round 2, here's what you do. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. That's how you know the second I go live next Friday at market open, because that's where the trades actually happen. The recap is just the highlight reel. And if you don't want to wait for Fridays and want the watch lists and setups every single day the market's open, that's what Freedom Charts is for. Links in the description. That's where I share the morning report, the levels, and live calls every day the market's open, not just once a week. Round 1's done. Let's see what round 2 looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.